Hello everyone, this is Sharon from LearnAcon, and today I am giving you a quick overview of Siemens' latest PLC family, the Siemens SIMATIC series, which is the leading automation platform in the world. Alright, let's dive into it. The Siemens PLC ecosystem is built around three main controller families: the S7-1200, the S7-1500, and the ET200SP CPUs. Together, they cover everything from compact standalone machines to large high-performance automation systems and distributed architectures. All three families share the same engineering environment in TIA Portal, support process control functions like PID loops, and offer multiple CPU performance levels so you can size the controller to the application. This unified approach makes it easy to standardize across a plant while choosing the right hardware for each machine or system. Next, we will take a look at each of these sub-series. The S7-1200 is a compact PLC with onboard digital and analog I/O, making it ideal for small to mid-scale machines. Even though it includes built-in I/O, the system is fully expandable. You can add signal modules, communication modules, and signal boards to scale the controller as the application grows. The S7-1200 comes in multiple CPU grades, allowing you to match performance to your needs. It mounts directly on DIN rail and supports process control functions like PID loops, along with the mid-level motion control, such as basic positioning and driving VFDs and step motors. This makes S7-1200 a versatile choice for OEMs and cost-effective automation projects. The S7-1500 is Siemens' modular high-performance PLC platform designed for medium to large-scale automation systems. It offers a wide range of CPU grades from entry-level models to high-end processors like the 1518 series, which can even run C++ programs for advanced algorithms and custom logics. Unlike S7-1200, the S7-1500 uses dedicated racks rather than DIN rail mounting, providing mechanical stability and extensive expansion options. All CPUs support process control, including advanced PID loops, and specialized motion CPUs enable high-speed servo control, camming, gearing, and multi-axis synchronization. This platform is ideal for complex machines and high-throughput production lines. ET200SP CPUs bring S7-1500 class functionality into a compact distributed form factor. They mount directly on DIN rail and integrate with the ET200SP point-level I/O system, making them ideal for tight control panels or distributed architectures. These CPUs are essentially the low-end members of the S7-1500 family, offering the same engineering environment and instruction set, but in a smaller footprint and lower cost. They are well suited for small machines, modular equipments, and remote stations. Like the rest of Siemens PLC lineup, ET200SP CPUs support PID loops and motion control functions up to their performance class, giving you a flexible option without needing a full rack-based system. Okay, that was a short overview of Siemens' latest SIMATIC PLC series. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. To support this channel, I appreciate if you subscribe, like, and share the videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.